had a fabulous show. I absolutely loved Raghav Sacha's performance amongst all the models. What was your favorite part of today's show?
I think for me, it was the Bohemia, the first part of my story. Very black and white, graphic-y, yet carrying symbolically some prints out of India. Simple, modern, and then we tried to edge it with my plumey shoes.
Right.
With the multicolors and the band concept beautifully executed by the Blunt team on the feet.
On the feet, yes.
And also some other belts, I've sourced over the years from God knows where, from Pushkar and all that, which we transferred into as belts. So I think for me, the first half, the very gypsy story, the Bohemia, was my favorite part of the show. And yes, Raghav did add a great look to the runway.
He did.
He was brilliant.
What was your favorite piece from the entire collection that you showcased today?
There was one which Valusha wore in part 2, a grey dress with a white yoke. I think that was my favorite. She looked so elegant. Perfectly. And I told her, Valusha, get this piece because this is great for you even to wear till next year.
So would you buy that dress online?
Yes, I would. Look, I have to grow up. I have 2 kids, my sons. I don't think they hate reality fashion. Their world is online. Now, my friends keep telling me that you get amazing stuff on Myntra, you get amazing stuff on other sites. It's high time you learned how to do it yourself. Well, I'm just lucky I got to know them. Maybe I'll just phone up. I know the bosses.
Make it easier for you for sure.
Yeah, and most of the styles are already on my tab because I've had to work and edit the looks out. So yeah, I would love to buy on because this product you will not get in somewhere outside to try out. And their sizing is well marked. I've seen some of the models who look like you. So we were trying out these clothes with looks I'd selected.
Right.
And I'm like taking one, like they stand up in a line to put it against her. And I realized she's wearing the same thing. She had shopped it online on Myntra. Yeah.
What's your favorite fashion trend this season?
My favorite fashion trend this season is, of course, the return of the black. I avoided it for 2 seasons. It was a pain for me because I'm unnaturally not black, But I swore I will not do more black because I was truly touching my clothes by hand feel and figuring out because I wore only black in my wardrobe. And I had a bit of blues and grays and browns. So I'm very glad that the black is back.
Any parting note for Myntra users, anyone who shops online and will be watching this?
Hi guys, this is Reena Dhaka talking to you. First day, first show, Myntra Fashion Weekend. Here it is. These are the looks I marked out, some of my favorites. It's been an incredible journey. Don't miss this chance. You must pick up those pieces because they are limited. I don't want them lost out. And some of these pieces will go through few seasons for you. Great to wear, great to wash, great to sleep in, and great to look great in.